In this video, I am going to show you how to remove note on Facebook profile. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook and head over to the menu section. In here, go ahead and click on your profile to get redirected to your profile. On your profile, go ahead and click on the note that you have on your profile. You'll find this above your profile picture. Just go ahead and click on that note to be able to either modify or delete that note. Notes is a feature added by Facebook after they have added this on the Messenger app. So just go ahead and click on the note on your account and click on that delete note button to be able to delete your notes on Facebook. Deleting your note on Facebook will also permanently delete the Facebook story that was made after you have created that note for your Facebook. Notes is a feature that will allow you to express not just your current moods but also your thoughts for the day that can be deleted easily and won't be found on your news feed. So this feature will allow you to add how you feel and share it with your Facebook friends.